Practice makes perfect nga ako na da. So, ag-practice tayo. Sing me back home. Padasok dito yok ka. Ay, no, that's not yok ka lili. Gita lili. The warden lead a prisoner down the hall with you his doom. I stood up to say goodbye like all the rest. I heard him tell the warden just before he reached my cell. Let my guitar playing friend do my request. Sing me back home with a song I used to hear. Make my old memories come alive. Take me away and turn back the years. Sing me back home before I die. I recall a Sunday morning, a choir from off the street coming to sing a few old gospel songs. And I heard him tell the singers, there's a song my mama sang. Could I hear it once before you move along? Sing me back home with the song I used to hear. Make my old memories come alive. Take me away and turn back the years. Sing me back home before I die.